Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get evil dog bait in fish it game on Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The latest update has been dropped, and in this update there are a lot of new items that we can get. One of them is the evil dog bait, and I'm going to show you how you can get it guys. First thing first, you need to go to the classic island. You can use your boat or you can use the portal right here. And to make it faster, I'm going to use the portal. Okay, I'm going to teleport to the classic island. Okay, hold on. I'm teleporting there. And then you will find a new shop here, guys, called Text Shop. You can go to the shop and talk to the NPC. And I'm going to view the shop, okay? And this is for the classic event shop. And here you will be able to buy the evil dog bait. But you need 80k ticks to buy it. And now my ticks is still not enough. So yeah, I need to get the ticks first. And if you want to get the ticks, you can complete the classic event. You can tap on this menu, okay, and you will get ticks after you complete the daily quest. For example, I need to sell 300 fish and then catch 3 gumball whales and so on. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the evil dog bait and fish it. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.